VXRT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And with Vaxart stock, we're sitting at 71 cent, 8.5% up. The way that I'm just observing this, I'm like, right, it's not the best, not the worst, but this is how my chart looked like beforehand. For context, I have done 33, almost 34,000 videos over the last 4 years, and I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships. By the way, I have documented everything. So it would only be a bullish trend and chart for me with VXRT, like in this case, if it starts to break above 86 cents. And trust me, like we're not there. We're not there yet, at least. They're at 71, seems like. So, I mean, I'm not going to interfere, honestly. And if there's a double break, it's a clean short. So I will definitely keep you updated. I'm not saying that I will short, but I'm saying if my rules are met, that's the case. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.